Position the box with the arrow pointing upwards. You need a pair of scissors, cut the plastic twine and tape. Open the box flaps, observe the contents in the box. And remove the front tire carefully. Small carton box, front wheel with fender. Cut open the small carton box. Inside, you will find pedal set, an accessories box, and a toolkit. In the toolkit, you can find a quick release, screwdriver, 2 spanners, .5 mm Allen key, 4 mm Allen key, and 3 mm Allen key. Open the accessories box. You will find a power cord and an adapter. Also a left and right paddle stickers on the paddles. Remove the cycle carefully from the box and place it on a flat surface. Cut the cable ties and remove the packaging material carefully with a pair of scissors as shown in the video. Lift the stem and clamp it and rotate the fork facing frontwards. Cut open the zip tie of the front wheel and you can find the fender and the front wheel separately. Unscrew the Allen bolts using Allen key as shown in the video. Using Allen key and 8 and 10 spanner, remove the front light mounting nut and bolt. Insert the front light and fender as shown in the video. And tighten it with the bolt and nut provided. Screw the fender hanger using the bolts provided. Remove the front fork separator. Now remove the disc brake cover. Mount the front wheel and insert the quick release as shown in the video. Take the right pedal and screw it to the right crank arm. Using the 15 mm spanner as shown in the video. Repeat the same procedure for the left pedal as well. Remove the backing of the saddle and seat post. Insert the seat post into the mounting tube as shown in the video. Rotate the safety locking clip and pull the lever out and remove the battery keys as shown in the video. Fold the e-bike and using the battery clip, pull out the battery as shown in the video. Insert the battery as shown in the video and unfold the bike. Push the lever in and insert the safety locking clip. Open the accessory box, you will find a power cord and an adapter. Connect the power cord with the adapter and now plug it in the charging port of the e-bike. Switching on the e-bike. To switch on the e-bike, long press the power button on the handlebar. The display will turn on. How to activate the pedal assist mode. After turning on the display, you can use the plus and minus buttons to set the level of the pedal assist between 1 to 5. 1 being the lowest level and 5 being the highest one. How to activate the walk mode. After turning on the display, keep your bike in a stationary position and press the minus button for 3 seconds. Your bike will now be in the walk mode and it will be mentioned on the display too. How to activate the cruise mode. Use the throttle to set your bike in motion. Once it reaches a favorable speed, press the minus button for 3 seconds and the cruise mode will be activated. Gearing system. It's a thrill of switching modes. A 7-speed e-bike has 7 in the rear. The front gears sit in line with the pedals and are called chain rings. The rear gears are in line with the axle of the rear wheel and are called the cassette collectively and cogs individually. The large and small chain rings are intended for extreme circumstances, large hills or fast road riding. Derailleur is used to switch between gears. The derailleur is controlled by shifters mounted on the handlebars. How to switch on the light. Your e-bike is equipped with a LED headlight. To turn it on, simply hold the plus button on the handlebar for 5 seconds till the light turns on. Horn. You can find the horn on the right side of the handlebar. The button has a clear horn sign and is green in color as displayed. Here, you're all set to take your first ride.